Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. If you're here for the first time, I make videos about toys and stuff, mostly mecha, some plastic model kits, and if you're into these kind of things, then you are at the right place. So make sure you smash some buttons. Thank you so much, guys. For today's video, we're gonna check out the real MSG weapon unit. Wait, is there a fake MSG? Of course there is. Click the link up here to see how I got scammed. So this is it, the MW29 Hand Gatling Gun by MSG. It doesn't come with the belt link though. So how do I tell if it's a real deal? You can basically check out the hang tag. Alright, and if you turn around, there you go. The instruction printed on the card. And apparently you can combine two of this unit and form another weapon. Let's open it up. Pretty excited. This is my first real MSG, I guess. Okay, nothing too special. You can see that it says MW29 on both of the runners. And of course, the label is actually printed on a glossy hard paper. It's pretty good quality. Expect nothing less from these people. Okay, I guess it should take maybe 15-20 minutes to get this done. It's pretty easy, you just gotta follow the instructions. They're not too small. Now this is supposed to be a weapon unit for the 1/100th scale frame arms frame architect. I'm just curious to see how it's gonna work for the Hexa gear products. I hope it works. I'm not sure. Could be useful for some of the mecha. Now here's the complicated part. I hope I get it right. Okay, check this out, people. I really like how you can just fit everything seamlessly. And this front part, you can actually turn it. It's quite cool. Alright, this one, you're gonna make sure that the short end is in front. Sometimes we can overlook. And of course, what do you call this? The handle. Everything is coming together. Just gotta fit into the right hole. And this is another handle. Yeah, it looks good. I kind of like it. I thought it was pretty good. One last thing. Not bad, not bad. Alright, this is it. The MW29 weapon unit from MSG looks pretty good. I would say it's pretty easy to build. It takes about 15 minutes, more or less. It's a pretty good size. It's about 9 centimeters. So we're gonna do a quick experiment. Over here, we've got the Warmage Hexa governor, and this is the size. So we're gonna check out how it works. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll find out. Okay, it actually fits the hand or the grip, but it's too small. Oh boy. Yep, my love-hate relationship with the governors continues. I don't think it's gonna work. Obviously, it didn't work with the governor. Again, it's too small for the weapon, but we've got this fan favorite, the Balcom Alpha by Hexa Gear. Now over here, we've got the weapon unit. We're just gonna find out whether it fits. It could be an additional weapon for this guy right here. Let's check it out. Alright, Let's see if it fits to the hand. Nope, it doesn't. But what can we do? I think we can. Yes, I figured out that I can actually just attach this to part of the arm, and it actually forms a pretty cool secondary weapon. I like it. Not bad, not bad. Alright guys, I really like this gun right here, and as you can see, I can't stop turning. Okay, this is a pretty cool weapon unit. I think I might get another one of these to attach and make it a 2-in-1 weapon unit, so I can put it on to this bad boy right here. Balcom Alpha. Bulk Arm. Bucom. I used to say Bucom. Sounds cooler. Speaking of the Balcom Alpha, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be reviewing this guy real soon. Check out his cockpit. It's like really cool, right? Because you can just open it up. And then you can just pull this down. Hiya! And you can fit a governor inside, which is really cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please go ahead, do your thing. Leave me a comment, guys. What's your favorite MSG weapon unit? I'll see you in the next episode.